vectors A, B and C are such that vector A dot vector B is equal to 0 and vector A dot vector C is equal to 0, then the vector parallel to A is what? Okay, here the given condition is vector A dot vector B is equal to 0, vector A dot vector B is equal to 0. That means definitely vector A is perpendicular to vector B here. Similarly, vector A dot vector C is equal to 0. That means vector A is perpendicular to vector C here. If I draw the diagram, that means vector A is perpendicular to vector B means this is the vector A, and it is perpendicular means it is 90 degree. That is the vector B in this direction, that is B here. And similarly, vector A is perpendicular to vector C means that z-axis. This is also a 90 degree with the A. Then this is a C. Then thus we can write here all the three are mutually perpendicular to each other. This is 90 degree, this is 90 degree and this is 90 degree. Then we can write it as the vector C into vector B is a parallel to, this is parallel to vector A. Then from the given option, vector B into vector C is parallel to vector A. Option C is our right answer.